How to style the denim jacket. What's up YouTube? My name is Brandon, and for this video I wanted to show you guys how versatile the denim jacket is. In my opinion, it's a men's wardrobe must-have. I'm also going to give you guys 3 different looks of how I wear the denim jacket. And I'm a pretty stylish guy. I mean, at least I think I am. Alright, so for look number 1 is this look right here. I got the olive drab, olive green Henley shirt. And then I got, I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. I got the black pants with, you know, the Henley, the typical Henley. And I got the denim jacket. Now this look here, this is a pretty good look. When you guys are styling the denim jacket, it's all about contrast. All about contrast. Alright, so here's look number 2. I got the same denim jacket, and I just put on a different shirt. But I got the same jeans on. But even this, you know, blue on top of blue with black. This is a good look too. Short sleeve shirt. Got a little bit of floral on here, but it's all dark blue. You know, hey, I look like a real badass. And here's style number 3. Now for this one, I kept the same denim jacket, but I changed the shirt and I changed the jeans. Now it's kind of close, but the contrast is still there. And when it comes to denim jackets, there's probably a zillion different shades and styles. This just happens to be the one that I currently have with me right now. So I'm just trying to show you guys, you know, different versatilities that you can use with the denim jacket. You can wear it all year round. As you guys can see, the denim jacket is a style staple. And I want to give you guys a few tips on some do's and don'ts of the denim jacket. Tip number 1, you never ever, and I mean never, want to wear denim on top of denim that matches. Like this. When shopping for a new denim jacket, try sizing down. In my experience, sizing down works out a little bit better because the denim stretches after about 1 to 2 wears. So if you're a large, try a medium. If you're a medium, try a small. So that's my take on the denim jacket. And if you guys like these videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you guys can always be in the know when I drop a new video. And till next time.